So hi, Elizabeth. I'm excited to talk with you today about your business. So let's just go ahead and start. Like where was your business before you took Build Your Business? Like where did you start from?
So where was my business before? It was nothing. It was just
Okay.
basically nothing. Even, I just barely had the thought of maybe I can make a business out of this. And so that's when I started taking the classes.
Okay, so where's your business now? Like how would you describe what has happened and
Oh,
where you're
wow.
at now?
Oh man, so much farther than I was. Since I have a website that's up and going, it just opened up. So I haven't gotten a hit yet. I am doing something that I thought I would never ever do, which was go to the holiday bazaars because it's night and day compared to what I had when I started and what I've got now. I have so much more knowledge about building a business, knowledge about having a good website compared to not a good website, which I have had people just say that my website is phenomenal compared to everybody else's. Um, so I'm so much farther than what I thought I was going to be. Like I said, I've got business cards. I've got a business that's registered with the state of Oregon. I'm an LLC. I've got a website. I've got an office that has, soap in it that I also do my work from. I'm actually thinking about building a soap shop.
Woohoo.
So I know I'm just like, okay, this is, I guess, happening.
What was that thought that because you kind of chewed around the edges of taking Build Your Business for a little while. We talked a few times. What was that thought that made you go, okay, this is what I need to do. This is worth the investment of money and time and all of that. What was that thought that tipped it over the edge for you?
I can stand in my kitchen and I can make soap every day. I can make it every weekend. And I can try and find outlets for it, but I don't know how to sell it. I don't know how to um, product, you know, provide a good product to people out there. I can provide a good product to my friends and my family and my coworkers and everything else like that, but I wanted to be more than that. So that's really what the decision was. I talked to, a couple of friends and everybody said, do this. And then I went and talked to my tax person and she says, you need to do this. This could be big.
Hmm.
So
That's a fun comment to get.
yes,
Yeah,
yeah,
from
I just
someone who
looked
has
at her.
seen a
Yeah,
lot of businesses.
this is a hobby that turned into a business and I didn't know how to do it. And if I
Hmm.
hadn't taken the classes and even taken the how to build your website, I would still be in the same boat.
Hmm. Yeah, that's a really good point too, that, if you want something different, you have to do something different
Hmm.
to make that happen.
Yes.
So do you feel like the classes like prepared you for now having your business? Do you feel like you're and realizing that this is still pretty new, but did you get out of it what you hoped to get out of it?
Yes, I got out of it what I hoped and more.
So what was your like a takeaway from Build Your Business or a memorable lesson or week or something that really caught your attention, something that you remember?
So it was the financial stuff, about the different ways of paying yourself.
Mhm.
Um, that was interesting. The first bazaar that we had, I didn't do the way that we were supposed to do it. I told my son, I said, if we make $100, you and I are going to go and get a pedicure. We made $511,
Ah,
and I went,
that's
okay,
awesome.
we get a pedicure. The next,
So, could you speak to the community piece in Build Your Business? Because Build Your Business is a
hmm,
class. We have teaching and we have, there's homework that you need to do. I mean, homework, right? There's
mhm.
there's things you need to be working on to get your business together. But there's also this group of women who come to the same calls every week, and there's something that happens there. Could you speak to that?
That was phenomenal. what I saw was everybody becoming this little close-knit family that wants to see you succeed and will do everything in their power to help you succeed, including getting on the phone with me as I'm basically in tears because I cannot figure out how to do something. And she just walked along with me and was saying, "It's okay, I get it." And everybody was like that. The kindness and the support was is not something you see often. And it's this is what happens when you have people that like-minded people that want to see everybody succeed and are not in it for the entertainment. They're in it to make sure that they succeed and you succeed. And the only thing I can think of is it becomes a family. And it was like the strangest thing that I had ever been a part of, other than being a part of a church family.
Mhm.
So it was fantastic. I've had my coworkers say this seems to make give you joy more than the other parts did, because every time you talk about your soap business, you're smiling and
Mhm.
you're excited and everything else like that. And I said, I'm excited just to get milk out of my refrigerator. No, I'm teasing. No, I am I am very excited about this. This has just
Yeah.
been a very positive experience for me.